Hello everyone, good morning to you. So, welcome. We're still on the topic communication technology, which is basically networking. And so today we want to look at networking technology. And then we'll be discussing wired technology and wireless technology. So, for the transmission of data between two systems, there is need for a medium. Okay, before data is transferred between two systems, there is a medium. The medium could be wired, it could also be wireless. So what influences the choice of the medium to use? Could be your cost. You'll be considering the transfer rate and then the overall data transmission. Those are the things that may help influence the choice of which of the technologies you should use. So basically what I've said is there are two networking technologies. We have the wired technology and wireless technology. However, we'll be considering the wired technology in today's class. So wired technology is when you use wire to connect computers. Very simple. In wired technology, there is actually a physical medium through which data is transferred. So you can have a wire, something you can actually touch. That is wired technology. Okay? So, and there are types of wired technology. There are types of cables that we can use in this wired technology. Do not forget, we have two basic types of networking technology. We have wired and wireless. And when we talk about wired technology, there are three types of cables that can be used in wired technology. We have the coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and optical fiber cable. Three types of cables: coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and optical fiber cable. Three. So coaxial cable. Before we take the notes, take a look at these two images. I know you may have seen this. It's somehow common. So this is the frame. This is how the coaxial cable looks like. You have a copper wire. That's the main wire that does the transmission, and then it is insulated. It is covered with an insulator. Remember that insulators are those materials that do not transmit electricity. They do not allow currents to pass through them. You know, examples are your wood, rubber, plastic, even cloth. So that insulator is also covered by a copper mesh. A copper mesh. This mesh helps in reducing noise and data loss. Okay, and then that particular mesh is also covered by an outside insulator. That is the frame. That is how a coaxial cable actually looks. And then you can have it this way. This is the outer insulator. All of these are contained in it. Okay? So, in coaxial cables, they have two conductors, an inner conductor and an outer conductor. Both conductors are insulated, just as we saw in the diagram above, the diagram earlier. So, and it is mostly used by cable TV operators. They are the ones that use this coaxial cable. Sometimes telephone companies also use these cables to connect their central offices to telephone poles close to their customers. We can also use them too at homes and offices. So the features of coaxial cables: they have high data transmission rates, and then they can cover long distances. Then that plastic jacket, that outer insulator, actually protect you from shocks and from jerks. They help to reduce the rate of electrocution, and then it is cheaper than any other medium. So the next video contains the explanation for the other two types of cables. Okay, thank you.